How are you guys? How are you guys? How are you guys? Yeah! Today I'm back again. Just wanna show you how to make the basic Zimdancehall. The basic Zimdancehall beat. Don't have to work so hard. Just really small things. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. Right. Let me start with this kick. Show you this kick, how this kick goes. As you can see, boom, 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 boom. You see, it's the kick, and then I placed this shaker. You see, and then I placed this again. This heights. You see, and then put this clap. Right. After you make this, like kicks, doom, 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 in the shaker, right? You have to put the keys like this. I use the FL Studio FL keys. These are the built-in keys for the FL Studio. You see, and then I place this again. The strings. And then I put this bass line of piano. And then the bass, boom, 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 boom. Right. What else did I put here? Right. Then you can see if you combine them, then you can hear how they start. You see. Yo, pull up.